Welcome back to our channel where we bring the joy of gardening right to your screen. Today, we're diving into a fantastic topic that can transform your garden into a thriving, bountiful paradise. Ever wondered what vegetables you should plant together for the best results? Stick around because we're about to reveal the magic of companion planting. 1. What is companion planting? Companion planting is an age-old technique where certain plants are grown together to benefit each other. Some plants improve soil health, deter pests, or boost growth. It's all about creating a harmonious and productive environment. 2. Benefits of companion planting. Why should you consider companion planting? Here are some amazing benefits. Pest control. Some plants repel harmful insects, protecting their neighbors. For example, marigolds and tomatoes. Improved growth. Certain combinations can boost growth. Beans and corn are a classic example. Beans fix nitrogen, which corn loves. Enhanced flavor. Some plants can enhance the flavor of their companions. Basil improves the taste of tomatoes. Space efficiency. Maximize your garden space by planting compatible plants together. Weed suppression. Dense planting shades the soil, reducing weed growth. 3. Companion pairs and groups. Here are some tried and true combinations for your garden. Tomatoes and basil. Basil repels pests and enhances tomato flavor. Plant them about 12 inches apart. Carrots and onions. Onions deter carrot flies, and carrots keep the soil loose. Plant in alternating rows. Corn, beans, and squash. The three sisters. Corn provides a trellis for beans, beans fix nitrogen, and squash shades the soil. Cucumbers and nasturtiums. Nasturtiums attract aphids away from cucumbers and repel cucumber beetles. Spinach and radishes. Radishes grow quickly and help loosen the soil for spinach. Lettuce and carrots. Lettuce grows quickly and provides shade for carrots. 4. Companion planting tips and tricks. Here are some handy tips for companion planting. Know your plants, research their needs and characteristics. Rotate crops. Rotate crops each season to prevent soil depletion. Use herbs wisely. Herbs like basil and dill attract beneficial insects and deter pests. Consider plant height. Taller plants can provide shade for shorter ones. Watch for aggressive growers. Some plants, like mint, can take over a garden bed. Plant them in containers. 5. Common mistakes to avoid. Avoid these common pitfalls in companion planting. Overcrowding. Give your plants enough space to grow. Ignoring plant needs. Make sure your companions have similar water, light, and soil requirements. Not monitoring for pests. Keep an eye on your plants and take action if pests appear. Skipping the planting stage. Plan your garden layout carefully. 6. Get started with your companion planting. Ready to get started? Here's a simple guide. Plan your garden. Decide which vegetables to grow and research compatible companions. Prepare your soil. Ensure it's healthy and rich in nutrients. Choose your plants. Select high-quality seeds or seedlings. Plant strategically. Follow recommended spacing and pairings. Care for your plants. Water regularly. Mulch to retain moisture. And watch for pests. Harvest and enjoy. Once ready, harvest your vegetables and enjoy. 7. Closing thoughts. Companion planting is a great way to create a healthy, vibrant garden. It's all about working with nature to get the best results. Whether you're a beginner or experienced, there's always something new to learn. We'd love to hear about your experiences and see your garden photos. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gardening tips and inspiration. Happy gardening, everyone!